So imagine you are putting together a puzzle, but instead of fitting pieces one by one, you have a magic button that's tried to put as many pieces in right spot as possible all at once. So you all guys need that kind of magic button in real life also, right? So don't worry, in Odoo we have such kind of real magic button which is actually called auto plan feature in the planning module. So let's see what are they. Just navigate into the planning module. So here you will see the dashboard of the planning module, like it's filled with different kind of shift and open shift also. Right. So up here, a down arrow is there. Just click on there and you will get the auto plan feature. So actually thinking about the auto plan, here, think of your schedule as a bunch of empty slots. Here you can see that. And you also have a good team and a people and maybe some equipment also. Each of them is good at certain things and can only work at certain times. So if you are going to schedule this open shift to that person, so you need to scratch your head like, all right, what should I do next? And how can I assign this kind of shift to that person and he is good or is he good at that kind of things? Every kind of thoughts are just rounding your head like it's a bunch of stress, right? So you don't need to worry about that. Just hit on the auto plan button here. So you will see the magic. Like here you will get the pop-up message which is actually called open shift and sale order assigned. So you don't need to worry about that. It's actually assigned. All right, here you can see that. While you scroll down, here you can see that. So once you happy about this schedule, just hit the publish and schedule button, like hit there. While you do that, here you will get publish and send the schedule by email. So you can do the publish and send button. Schedule sent to your employees. So this is a simple process and simple procedure. So you all will have this kind of magic button in the Odoo. So after it does its magic, you get the schedule that's mostly filled, and it's like having a helpful assistant or a friend who takes the first pass at organizing your schedule for you. So if you like this video, do subscribe, follow, and share with your friends. Be happy. Have a nice day. Thank you.